2, 1, and go.
Hello everyone, welcome to Superior Products. Ask and you shall receive. We have had so many requests to add a mechanics value pack to our line of products, so we have done just that. I would like to introduce to you the, drum roll please, mechanics value pack. Now, couple of really great things in this kit that is perfect for the mechanic out there. Number one, these are all half-gallon sizes. The half-gallon sizes are only available in our value packs. The part number for this mechanics value pack is A108, and it does come with these 4 items you see right here. Let's start with Zap It. Zap It is our interior stain remover. Why did we add this to the mechanics kit? Because if you accidentally get a little bit of grease or oil, it may transfer from your shoe into the car on the carpet. This little guy right here, spray it on, give it a little scrub, and it's gonna pull that oil right out of the carpet for you. Next up, we have Clearview. This is a concentrated glass cleaner. You can dilute this stuff 10 to 1. 10 to 1. Great value for this. It is ammonia free, so it is safe on any tinted window, and it works fantastic. Next up, we have Orange Crushed Hand Cleaner. And what does every mechanic out there need? A fantastic hand cleaner. This product has lanolin in it, so it's going to keep your hands from drying out, but it also has pumice in it, which is that grit that helps really break up the grease and oil that might be on your hands or in your fingernails. It also comes with this cute little pump, so you would just take this cap off, put the pump in, twist it on, and voila, you have a pump of pumice hand soap. It also kind of smells like oranges. Last up is Muscle Magic, the powerhouse of the group. This highly caustic degreaser is very strong, super strong. Do not let it dry full strength on paint. Do not let it dry full strength on paint. Other than that, as long as you use it properly, you will run into no issues with this. We always recommend starting off at a 4-to-1 dilution on our concentrated products. So cut this 4-to-1, give it a test run, and then adjust as needed. You can always use more. You can always cut back and add more water, use less product. This is a fantastic degreaser. Engines, concrete floors, wherever you have grease or oil that has spilled and you want to clean it up easily, effectively, quick, very cost efficient. I don't want to say cheap, because that sounds bad. So you got to use other words. So cost effective, efficient, one of those. Anyways, this product is fantastic, you guys. I'm sure a lot of you watching this video have tried it, used it, loved it, and already buy it on a regular basis. But if you haven't tried it yet, check it out. You will love this water-based, high caustic, high pH degreaser. Now, that is everything that is included in this value pack. These are available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts. So for all of our mechanics out there that have really wanted a kit so that they can sample our products, we hear you, we feel you, we've got you. Check it out. Part number A108, Superior Products, Mechanics Value Pack. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and don't forget to follow us on all of those social media outlets.